Is there any difference in texture or taste between icing sugar and powdered sugar?
Hello, sugar enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring a frequently asked question in the world of baking and desserts. We're diving into the sweet, delicate world of icing sugar and powdered sugar. More specifically, we're looking into whether there's any difference in texture or taste between these two types of sugar.
What is icing sugar?
First, let's talk about icing sugar. Icing sugar, also known as confectioner's sugar, is a finely ground sugar produced by milling granulated sugar into a powdered state. It often contains a small amount of anti-caking agent to prevent clumping and improve flow. It's favored in baking and dessert making for its ability to blend well into creams, frostings, and glazes due to its incredibly fine texture.
What is powdered sugar?
Now, onto powdered sugar. Here's where things might get a bit tricky. In many countries, the terms powdered sugar, confectioner's sugar, and icing sugar are used interchangeably, and they refer to the same thing. That is, a finely ground sugar that is milled into a powdered state, just like icing sugar.
Is there any difference in texture or taste?
So, is there any difference in texture or taste between these two sugars? The simple answer is no. Because they are typically the same product, they share the same sweet taste and smooth, finely milled texture. However, the exact fineness can vary slightly between brands or even types within a brand. Any minor differences you might notice would be a result of the degree of grinding or the presence of any added anti-caking agents. We hope that clears up the sweet mystery of icing sugar and powdered sugar. Remember, in baking and dessert making, these two sugars are virtually the same. They both have a delicate, smooth texture and the same sweet taste that makes our sweet treats so delightful. Happy baking!